Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So let's see what we'll be expecting on our GBP USD for the day. So let's start with our trend. We talked about GBP USD giving us a downtrend movement, right? Here is our low. This is also the lower high. This is the lower low that took at the previous low. Lower high here. This is the lower low. Lower high. Now market is currently dropping and we'll be expecting a new lower low. We've been predicting this movement since last week that GBP USD will sell from this level. For swing traders, if you guys have been watching this channel, have been following the channel consistently back to back, you would have seen where I told you guys that you can be opening for the sell where market was around this level. And now take a look at it where we are now. That's would have been off by 160 plus pip. By the way, you can see it 160 pips plus if you had opt in when I said you should opt in. So this is one of the reasons why a lot of traders, if you would want to learn how to trade GBP USD properly, you can join the mentorship program, which you will find the link in the comment section. So if you would want to learn how to trade GBP USD properly or any other USD related pairs, we will also be covering indices like Nasdaq, US 30. We'd also be looking at commodities like gold, WTI, and also indicators, patterns you can look at for risk management, trade management, how to trade it properly, how to understand it properly. Everything will be covered in the mentorship. So the link to the mentorship will be in the comment section. So just go to the comment section, subscribe. Once you subscribe, then you would learn and know how to trade properly. So know how to trade properly by subscribing to the mentorship program. Now back to our analysis on GBP USD. This is our 4-hour time frame. Guess what market did here? Market eventually gave us this massive drop, and this is a pullback. Our next movement should be another drop. Let's now go to the 1-hour time frame. So we should be expecting another drop. Just in case if GBP USD push up one more time, it will most likely drop again. So there are two ways it will likely drop. It's either we've started the drop. If in case it wants to push up to take out liquidity, it will give us another drop. So more of this will be covered in the mentorship. So the link to the mentorship will be in the comment section.